Hello everyone, so in this series we are going to learn the Python programming language and we will learn a step by step everything here, like installing the Python in your laptop to create advanced programs in Python. And if you don't know about any programming language, still you can learn the Python with this series. So let's start step by step everything here. First of all, why we should learn the Python? So if you want to learn the machine learning AI things to create a website, so you should learn the Python. Using the Python, you can do a lot of things. Currently, we are living in the AI world. So in this AI world, you can create anything using the Python. So first of all, we need to install the Python in our laptop, and then we are going to install the VS Code. So Python is a programming language that we need to install. So VS Code is something code editor. To write a program in a proper manner, we should always use some code editor. Here we are going to install first Python and then VS Code. So here we go. So first of all, just type here the Python download. You can see the website called python.org. Open this and now click on the download Python. Right now the version is 3.12.7. You can click on the download, or you have the options like go to the downloads and you can download it from here. But as you can see here, right now I'm using here the MacBook. That's why it's showing me like download for Mac OS. But if you are using the Windows or other systems, you can go like here, you can Python for Windows, go Python and then Python release for Windows, and you can install from here. But I'm using here the MacBook, that's why I'm gonna download the Mac OS, this one version. So whenever you open this website in the Windows laptop, so you will see the version for the Windows. So you just need to click on the download Python like this and just save it. And just wait some seconds. It's done. Just open that package, double click on that package and continue, read more, continue, agree, install, and put your password here and just install it. And it's done. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just open the terminal and just type here Python 3 space double dash version and enter. And you can see the Python 3.12.7 is installed. Okay, now we have the Python right now. Now we need to install the VS Code. To install the VS Code, again go to the Chrome, open the new tab and just type here download VS Code. And you can see the website called code.visualstudio.com. okay, and you can see you can download it for the Windows, Linux and Mac. So I'm going to use for Mac, so click on this, save this file, and that's it. So I already have installed this VS Code. So I have that VS Code here in the bottom. So whenever you open the VS Code, your window look like this, welcome screen, and you can see you will find the new file option. Just click on this and you can see you will receive the option like you can select this file, text file, Jupyter or something, or you can just search here Python, or you can just use the text file like this here. Now you need to write code. So before writing a code, I'm going to save this file as a Python extension. So how we can do this? So use the command S or control S to save this file. And my file name is hello.py. py is the Python extension. So I'm going to save this in my Python folder and just hello.py, let's just save it. And now we need to write a simple hello world program. Before writing a Python program, you can install here Python extension. So that will suggest you what to write, how to write. So in the left side, you will see option of extension. Click on this and just search here Python. And you can see here the Python, just install this and it's done. Just close this. Okay, like this, done. Now let me just write the first program here. Okay, so let me just make it bigger like this and just type here print and double quotation and just say here hello world. Okay, you don't need to use the semicolon here, just print word hello world. Simply just save this file, just use the command as control S. Now we need to run. As you can see, here is a run option like this. You can see this is, just click on this and you will see here in the terminal hello world. You can write anything here. You can just, if you want to write the coding bus and just run this. You can see you have the coding bus. You have finally run your first Python program. That's really amazing, right? In the next video, we'll learn more about Python. Still you have some doubt related to this video, so you can comment on the video and you can ask me anything about Python. So I'll definitely reply you on the comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.